Welcome, dear learner. Have you ever felt that some days go perfectly while others feel rushed and confusing? What if the difference is not in your work, but in how your day begins? Imagine waking up when the world is still quiet, when everything feels calm and fresh. This simple moment, often ignored, can hold a powerful secret. In this story, you will discover how waking up early can quietly change everything in life. There is a special time every day that many people never experience. It comes before the noise, before the stress, and before the busy hours begin. This time is peaceful and full of possibility. Some people sleep through it, while others wake up and use it wisely. But what makes this time so powerful? And how can it change the way a whole day feels? In a quiet town surrounded by soft hills and open skies, life moved at a gentle pace. The sun rose slowly, and the air felt clean and fresh. Early in the morning, the streets were empty and silent. Only a few lights could be seen in houses, and only a few people were awake. These early risers followed a routine that others did not fully understand. They believed that the early morning had a special kind of power. As the day moved forward, the town became busy. Shops opened, people hurried, and the streets filled with noise. But there was a clear difference between those who woke early and those who did not. The early risers seemed calm and ready. They moved with confidence and did not rush. It was as if they had already prepared for everything before the day truly began. On the other hand, those who woke up late often felt stressed. Their mornings were full of hurry, and their minds felt crowded. They rushed through tasks and sometimes forgot important things. Instead of controlling the day, they felt controlled by it. Many of them wondered why their days felt so difficult, but they never thought about changing their mornings. The early morning carried a quiet magic. The air was cool, and soft sounds filled the silence. Birds sang gently, and the sky slowly changed colors. In this peaceful time, the mind felt fresh and clear. Thoughts were easier to understand, and ideas came naturally. There were no distractions, no noise, and no pressure, only calm and focus. During these quiet hours, simple actions became meaningful habits. Reading felt easier, writing felt deeper, and even light exercise felt refreshing. The body woke up slowly, and the mind followed with calm energy. This gentle routine created a strong start for the day. It was not about doing many things, but about doing them with focus and care. As days passed, the results became more visible. Those who woke early built strong routines. They improved their skills and reached their goals step by step. Their mornings gave them time to prepare, and this preparation made them confident. They were ready for the day, not surprised by it. The late risers often struggled to keep up. They began their day in a rush and spent the rest of the time trying to catch up. But catching up is always harder than being prepared. Their energy dropped quickly, and their focus was not strong. They reacted to problems instead of preventing them, which made their days feel longer and more tiring. The real secret was consistency. Waking up early once was not enough, but waking up early every day slowly created powerful change. Each morning added a small improvement. These small improvements grew over time, like drops of water filling a container. At first, the change was small, but later, it became strong and clear. Another important benefit was a sense of control. When the day began in silence and order, everything felt easier. Decisions became clearer and tasks were completed faster. The mind felt open and organized. This sense of control reduced stress and increased confidence throughout the day. Energy also improved with this habit. Sleeping on time and waking early helped the body follow a natural rhythm. The body felt stronger, and the mind felt sharper. Energy lasted longer, and there was less need for rest or distraction. People felt active and focused for a longer time. The quiet morning also gave time for reflection. It allowed people to think about their goals, dreams, and progress. Without noise, it was easier to understand thoughts and feelings. This helped people make better decisions and grow in a meaningful way. Slowly, others in the town noticed these changes. They saw the calm and confidence of early risers and became curious. Some decided to try waking up early. At first, it was difficult. The bed felt warm and comfortable, and the silence felt unusual. But they continued, and each day became a little easier. In the beginning, not every morning was perfect. Some felt tired, and some did not know how to use the time. But with patience, they began to enjoy the quiet hours. They found peace, new ideas, and better focus. The early morning became something they valued. As more people followed this habit, the town slowly changed. There was less stress and less noise. People looked more relaxed and more prepared. The days felt more organized, and problems were solved more easily. A simple habit created a powerful transformation. The beauty of waking up early was its simplicity. It did not need money or special skills. It only needed a decision and regular effort. Anyone could try it, and anyone could benefit from it. The early morning was always there, waiting quietly. Over time, it became clear that mornings shaped the whole day. A calm beginning led to a calm day. A focused start led to better results. The first hours of the day were like a strong foundation. When the foundation was strong, everything else became stable. The change did not happen in one day, and it was not always easy. Some mornings felt difficult, and the comfort of sleep tried to pull people back. But those who continued became stronger. Discipline grew inside them, and waking early became a promise they kept every day. This promise built confidence and inner strength. With time, the early hours became a space for creativity. Without interruption, ideas flowed freely. Simple plans turned into clear goals, and these goals slowly became real achievements. People used this time to think deeply and dream bigger. The quiet morning gave them the freedom to grow. In the end, waking up early became more than just a habit. It became a gift, a peaceful start that shaped the entire day. It was not about losing sleep, but about gaining time, clarity, and control. Those who once struggled now found joy in the early hours. So now, the question is simple. What will you choose tomorrow? Will you stay in bed and let the day begin without you? Or will you wake up early and take control of your life? The morning is waiting quietly, full of possibility, and the choice is yours.